Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the improved audio version of my internal battery replacement guide for the Lenovo Thinkpad T480. Without further ado, let's get to it. As always, we start by removing the external battery. Set that to the side. Log into your BIOS settings to disable the internal battery. I had someone ask me before why I always include this step in my videos. There was another comment that said that he wished he knew there was a way to disable the internal battery before frying his backlight fuse. So it's always best not to skip this step. So you go to Config, Power, and Disable Built-in Battery. The screen should turn black like this, and once it does, just verify that you don't have any residual power in there. Once that's done, you can go ahead and open the laptop up. So on the underside of the T480, there are 6 screws holding the lower cover on. Let's go ahead and unscrew them. The screws are supposed to be held on to the lower cover by plastic clips on the other side, but the plastic clip on this one has already worn out, allowing the screw to completely detach from the lower cover. Watch out for that so you don't lose any of the screws. If your T480 still has a rubber cap here covering the port beside the USB-C, make sure to remove this before attempting to remove the lower cover. To remove the lower cover, you start from one of the rear corners, open it like so, work your way forward, proceed to the other side, make sure the front edge is completely detached. If it's not, you start from both front corners and work your way to the middle. Detach this rear rib right here by slowly working your way from one side to the other. And once all of that's done, remove the lower cover completely by raising everything up and slowly sliding it rearwards. There you go. Using your fingernails or a plastic tool, pull the battery plug out. There are ridges on each corner to help you grip it. Once you have the internal battery plug disconnected, remove the 2 screws holding the battery down. With that out of the way, remove the internal battery. Install the new internal battery. You'll notice that there's a black tab on the bottom portion. Make sure that goes in first. Reinstall the battery screws. If you're enjoying this video so far, I hope you don't mind clicking that subscribe button down there. I'm currently chasing 1,000 subscribers and will really appreciate all the help I can get at the moment. And then the battery connector. Guide it in first, then push it in from both corners. Now we've finished everything, it's time to reinstall the lower cover. As always, we carefully place it on top and slowly work our way around the perimeter of the laptop. Break this rear edge right here since it always needs a little more attention. We can then tighten the screws one by one. And don't forget the screw that totally came off the lower cover earlier. And don't forget to reinstall the external battery. Boot it up and make sure your new internal battery is detected in Device Manager or in the battery tray icon. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of these DIY guides, please feel free to hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. As always, I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. There should be some more DIY videos popping up right about now. If you're interested in any of them, feel free to click away. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.